Good morning and welcome back to the Python programming in class 11. Myself Roji, your IP teacher. Today I am going to explain you the looping concept of Python. Looping is known as the iteration statement. In iteration statement, set of statements are executed again and again. If the condition is evaluated to false, the looping body stop executing. Means we say that loops are terminated. In Python, we have three types of loop. First one is for loop, while loop, and do while loop. We will discuss for loop and while loop in class 11. We have already discussed that for loop works in two situations. First one in clause and second one using the range function. In clause, we use the sequence data type, and in range, we provide the starting value, stop value, and step value. Today, we will discuss the Python in and range function programs using the for loop. First of all, we define the sequence data type. We have list. List is an example of sequence data type. So we use list equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. List is a data type store the value 10 to 70. Means in 0 positions value is 10, 1 position value is 20. Now we will access the value of list using the for in for loop. Okay, so we use for I in list. The condition is that I is a variable, means this loop will be executed until the value of list is present. Values of list are present. If the value of list are, if the index values are stopped, then looping bodies are stop executing. So we have to access the value of list. For I in list, I is a looping variable. I is an index. When this statement will be the true, means when the value of list will be available, then this loop will be the executed. Then print I. Let's execute the statement. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. Means we can access the value of sequence data type one by one using the looping statement. Using the looping statements. Another example of looping statement is, suppose we use s equals to Gyan Niketan. Gyan Niketan is an string data type. We use for I in S. Means when the value of I is, when the S value present in S, then the loop will be the executed, and we use print I statements. Means we execute the program. Gyan Niketan means each and every value of string data can be using the for I in S. I in S means I is a variable and S is a sequence data type. In S sequence data type, the value is Gyan Niketan. The positions of G is 0, Y is 1, and so on. When the value is present in S, then this loop will be the executed. Next, we will discuss the Python program using the for program using the range. Range is a function. Range is a function that generates a value from this to this. Suppose we have written for I in range 9 or 10. For I in range 10, then we print I. For I in range 10. Range is a function. If we provide one argument in range function, means this I value started from the 0 and end with the 10 minus 1, that is 9. Means 10 times the looping body will be executed from 0 to 9. Then we will execute the program using the 0 to 9. Means value of I is 0 to 9. Means when we use the range function using the single argument, then starting value is a 0 from n minus 1. If we use range function with two arguments, means 1 comma 10, means starting value is 1 and ending value is 10 minus 1, that is 9. Means the looping body will be executed from 1 to 10, 1 to 9. Okay. Next, if we use the range function using the three arguments, first one is the starting value, second one is the stop value, and third one is the step value. Starting means from this value, the value of I started from the 1 and end with the 10 minus 1, that is 9. And the value of I will be updated by the two step value. Means I means 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, and so on. So we execute the program and we see that the value of I is 13579. So in range, for loop is used along with the range function. We can change the value in range function using our own requirement. Suppose we take the value n from the user. Int input enter the value, enter the value, then we execute the program. Here we have taken n, means the loop will be executed from the 1 to n, and the I is incremented by 2. So let's see the output of the above program. Enter the value. Suppose we enter 20. Then the looping body executed from 1 to 19 and step value is 2. Means initial value is 1, then 3, then 5 and 7, then 9. Means we can say that this program is a program used to generate odd number from 1 to n. Program used to generate odd number from 1 to n. We can use starting value as 2 and ending value n plus 1. This program, we say that this program is used to generate the even number between the 1 to n. Even number between the 1 to n. Suppose you want to generate the natural number, means all number between the 1 to n. Then we use start value 1, stop value n plus 1 and no step value. If we will not provide the step value, then default step value is plus 1. So we execute the program, enter the value. Value is 50. Means the output will be the 1 to 50. Means this program is used to generate the number between the 1 to n. If we change the start value 1 to 2 and step value 2, then it will generate the even number from 1 to n. Second, if we change the start value 1, then it generates the odd number from 1 to n. So next class we will discuss the more program based on the looping statement. Okay students, goodbye.